Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to host two websites on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. As you see here, I have a business web hosting plan with this single hosted website. If and to host two websites on the same web hosting plan, it's simple. Just click on add website. Then select which platform you want to use for your second website. You can select between creating a Hostinger Horizon website, a WordPress website, a Hostinger website builder website, or a custom PHP or HTML website. Let's create a simple or an empty website. Here, fill in the domain or the subdomain you want to use for your second website. For this video, I will create a subdomain website, for example, site.benstutorial.com. It's this creating a subdomain or filling a subdomain here is the same as using your domain or main domain or your website.com domain, for example. Click on, do you own this domain? Yes, use it. After that, click on next, and they will initiate setup. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And they will initiate setup. And just like that, I've created a second website on the same web hosting plan. Now, if I go back to the websites page, select websites list, I will see my second website here. And this is how to create two websites on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.